What is going on, everyone? Welcome to another video from Featured Tech. In this video, I'm going to be discussing the top 3 features of a $700 cordless vacuum, specifically the Dyson V15 Detect. Let's get started. So the first feature I want to start with is the battery life. Now, the advertised battery life for this vacuum is 60 minutes, which setting you choose. So as you can see, I'm currently on medium. You can then go to eco, or you can go to boost, which uses the maximum suction, which will drain your battery the fastest. Now, with their advertised timing of 60 minutes of vacuuming, I did actually test that, and it actually exceeded the 60 minutes because right now I don't have the entire battery life. The battery's not fully charged, and if I use it on eco, so I'm gonna use it right now, you'll see the time remaining down here. So let's do that. So as you can see, my remaining time left to vacuum, even with like about 3/4 of the battery life left, is 51 minutes and 28 seconds. I've had it actually go up to 74 minutes of runtime if you are using it on eco mode. So when it comes to battery life, the 60 minutes actually not only is accurate, but you can actually get more time to use the vacuum based on the setting that you're using, which is eco. Now, continuing with the battery life, I do also want to mention, of course, that if you go to boost, which uses the most suction, as you will hear it now in the video, and I start it, you're gonna see my time is like 6 minutes of, vacuum time. So let's do that now. As you can see, 5 minutes of vacuum time. So really it all depends on the suction power that you're using with the vacuum. But if you're using it on eco on a full battery, based on my experience and my usage, I was getting around 72 minutes of battery life. My second favorite feature about this vacuum is the live graph that shows you what you're picking up live. And that is super impressive to me. Now, I'm not the one to usually care about this type of things. I mean, as long as the vacuum is working and it's suctioning, the dust and all that stuff, I really couldn't care less. But at the same time, it is really cool to see real time what you're picking up and what's on the ground that you are vacuuming. So let me walk you through what each one represents. You have the yellow. Now the yellow represents allergens that you're picking up. Next one to the right is an orange color. Now this orange color represents microscopic dust. Third, which is purple, you have your dust mites. And then finally, that purplish color all the way at the end is sugar. Now that one is, I'm a little confused about why they need to have a special graph for sugar. Personally, I'm not sure why they did that, but really I care about the first 3 because I think that's cool to see how much allergens and dust and all that stuff that I want to see how much of that is on the floor, and it's cool to see that real time. The third feature I love about this vacuum is this attachment tool right here that comes with the vacuum. Now this is the laser detect tool attachment that comes with the vacuum, and you can activate the laser right here. So currently I have it on, and this is really cool because other than the real-time data that you get from the graph that you see on the screen, you also get to see the germs and like the dust and all that stuff through that green laser light that is, pointing to the floor. So you can see everything. Not only you can see everything that you're picking up, but you can look at the graph and see what type of, dust or allergens you're picking up right from the graph, and while also seeing it live with that laser, which is really cool. So these were the top 3 features that I really like about my Dyson V15 Detect vacuum. Hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to like and subscribe. And if you have other features that you like about this vacuum that I didn't mention in the top 3, leave them down in the comment section below. I hope you have a great day. Take care.